This is our 65 litre system. You don't need to screw anything into your bike. You just use our straps and our attachment points to fit it to your bike. What I have done though with this one, we've added a second base lock to it. What you would have, this would have a stick on it and you would stick it to the other base lock. This is one of our prototype ones and it doesn't have the stick on it. In theory, that's already connected like that. We have our 2 attachment straps that go around the front, and we'll just line that up. 2 base locks. You'll also need a heat shield. Okay, so now we're at the rear. You have your straps here, the tailpiece, just in front of the blinkers there. What I've done here is I've just come around the tailpiece and I come through the rear attachment point and I pull that down like that. I don't go all the way yet. And then on this next one, I'll do the same thing. What I'll do is I'll come behind the other strap there just to hold it in place. I'll come underneath there, I'll load that up a little bit, the plastic clip, and then you just come up into the rear. That's there. So what you want to do, once you've got this connected up, you just want to make sure you've positioned it so the weight's in front of your axle. Then when you're happy with the position, we taut these down. So we taut that down, we taut that down. Now we go back around the front and we'll taut the fronts down. So what we do on the left side is we just come behind where your foot peg mount goes. If you do eliminate your foot pegs, you can come behind your frame here and we'll do the same job. So we just come around behind there and then we come up into our upper attachment point just here. Don't taut this down yet. We taut down the back. We taut down the back of this first before we taut down the fronts. Let's go over to the other side. So now we're on the other side. What I'll do is I'll just come behind the foot peg mount. I would actually recommend leaving your foot peg mounts on because it gives you a bit of protection here for your exhaust. In through your foot peg mount, you come up into the top attachment point. Don't taut it down yet. So we come up into here. So once your back ones are taut in, then you just lock in the fronts. A good idea is to push the bags in as far as you can and then taut down. And then we do the same on the other side. So we just come to the other side, we push that in and we taut that down. And then we just do it again everywhere. And then we have this system that's solid as a rock. There's no weight in these bags, so they look a bit floppy, but once you've got weight in them, they're fine. But if I push our Rackless system in, there's very little to no movement in that. So there you go, that's the Ducati DesertX version 2, same fitting on the version 1. All right guys, beauty. I'll see you on the next one.